Hi my friend, how are you? Welcome to your channel. In this video, I want to teach you a very beautiful craft, and it's just making with a felt. Dear friend, if you like the video, please supporting us and like, comment and subscribe. I always waiting to your beautiful comment, so don't forget to supporting us. And if you like the video, please share with your friends. If you like the craft and about this, you must see this video. Okay, now let's dive in. So let's get started. Okay, dear friends, at first have to draw the patterns of these raccons, and each of them is right on the color that should be placed. Now it's just like the before I said.
Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just step it up. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be scared.
Time to sew them. Dear friends, for more video, please supporting us. And if you like the art, please come to our channel and see a lot of things about the art. It's painting, craft, and etc. like that. In our channel, if you like the art, you never bored. And for supporting us, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And please buy me a coffee. With this your work, I will be so happy. Thanks, dear friend, for your supporting. And now your crafts and my crafts is ready. Is it beautiful? Tell me in the comments. Thank you. In another video, I see you again. Goodbye.